We are living in an era where there is cutthroat competition in every field, be it in academics or be it in sports or business. There's competition everywhere, and to survive in this competition you need to keep changing yourselves, because if you don't change yourselves according to the changing circumstances, then your competitor will take advantage of that situation and will excel in his work. So if you want to excel in your work, then you need to update yourself according to the requirements. The same goes for cars. If a car wants to sustain itself in the market, then it needs to incorporate those features that the market demands. Otherwise, it will perish. But why are we talking about these things? So, let's make everything crystal clear. What is Porsche Panamera? Porsche is a German automobile manufacturer. A mid or full-size luxury car is manufactured by Porsche, and it is known as the Porsche Panamera. The Porsche Panamera is front-engined with rear-wheel drive layout. It also has all-wheel drive versions available in it. What extra features are being added to the Porsche Panamera? In the US, it has been seen that the next generation Porsche is being tested again. Before this, 2 variants have been spotted testing in Nürburgring. Now, talking about this new prototype that has been spotted testing, this could be not just a simple version, instead a sporty version of the Panamera lineup. It is expected that the new third-generation Panamera will go on sale in 2024. It is known to all of us that the current one was launched in 2017 and it was facelifted as recently as 2020. Everyone is damn sure that it is going to be a new car. There's no doubt about it. But the point is, will it be evolutionary against the second-generation model? As it has been seen that the all-electric Taycan has performed better as per the sales. Taycan has been successful in outselling the combustion and hybrid power Panamera. But whatever the case, there are new additions done. So let's see what are these new additions. The first change can be seen at the front, where there are Porsche's signature quad daytime running lights within the rounded unit. Not just that, there is also a bumper design, which has been revised and also has a larger curtain. We all know that the manufacturers rarely change significant sheet metal, for example the seat pillars, for a facelift. In this model it can be seen that the seat pillar is also disguised, and hence it can be said that this is going to be an all-new model. What do you say? Now, when talking about its back, then at the back there is a quad exhaust system which is exactly similar to Panamera turbo models. Center locking wheels are something that is unusually reserved for Porsche sports cars, but this prototype has center locking wheels as its features. And there are huge brake discs which have been drilled and also 6 piston calipers behind them. There's nothing new in its interior, as I discovered too. Neither it will be changing its general layout much, but yes, there is a high chance that it will make it like Taycan by employing revised infotainment and also seen a switchgear setup. And this is done by the inside exactly like that of a Taycan. And if this is done, then the inside will be exactly like that of a Taycan. The 6th generation Porsche Communications Management has been updated by Porsche earlier this year, but an all-new infotainment system on an instrumental panel that will be fully digital will be seen by the year 2024. If we talk about the present scenario, then Panamera uses a fully digital layout, which has an analog rev counter. Let's look at what new features will be added to its powertrain. The next Panamera will have updated and more powerful gasoline engines, which will have mild hybrid tech. And those who are not ready to go electric, don't worry, there's a plug-in hybrid version that will be available for you if you are someone who's not ready to switch to electrification. And this plug-in hybrid version is getting bigger batteries and also a pure electric range. The future Porsche Panamera. The 3rd generation of Panamera is going to be the last model which will be offered with a combustion engine, because after all that of them will be electrified. In short, they will switch to electrification. Till now, Porsche didn't say anything about its plans. I mean, whether they will stop the production of cars with the internal combustion engines or they will continue it. Nothing is known, but they had confirmed that they want 80% of their vehicles to be electric by the year 2033. It means they are heading towards electrification. In short, since there is a cutthroat competition in the market demands electrification of its cars. Porsche will be producing an electrified Panamera, because if the company doesn't do that, then the company may lose its customers and thus will perish. So, to sustain itself in the market, it added new features to its existing models, and thus will be successful in luring the customers who are always in need of some change. What do you think? Will the Porsche Panamera's new look be able to lure the customers? Will it be able to survive in this demanding market?